This video tutorial I will explain format method of SimpleDateFormat class which accept date, StringBuffer and FieldPosition. Here I have defined the class SimpleDateFormatDemo. Here I have created date object. Here I have created SimpleDateFormat object. Then I am calling format method of SimpleDateFormat object and passing the date, StringBuffer and the FieldPosition. This method format this date and put the formatted date in StringBuffer. Here we got formatted date. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.